Yes, there is a wrap that goes around a steel city compression fitting to make it approved for a rain-tight location. The wrap is as follows. Yo, check it out, it's the rain-tight wrap. For steel city compression fittings, that's a fact. Size 21/2 cat. No. TK217SC. Listen up and you'll be free. Firstly, you gotta clean the pipe. Make sure it's smooth, no grime or gripe. Secondly, apply the sealant nice and tight. Don't be shy, make it right. Now take the fitting, slide it on. Tighten the nut, but don't go too long. Snug it up, but don't crush the ring. That's the key to make it sing. Once it's tight, check for leaks. Use a flashlight or your eagle eyes. If you see a drop, don't be afraid. Just tighten the nut and you're made. Now you're done, your fitting's tight. Rain tight, that's your right. Steel city compression, the best around. For rain tight fittings, that's the sound. So spread the word, let everyone know. This rain tight wrap is the way to go. For steel city compression fittings, size 21/2 Teft. No. TK217SC, the one to win. Yo, peace out. In the context of electrical work, ensuring connections are rain tight, especially in outdoor or wet locations, is crucial for safety and code compliance. Using a compression fitting correctly and applying the rain-tight wrap or similar methods helps prevent water from entering the electrical system, which could lead to short circuits, corrosion, and other hazards. When installing a steel city compression fitting for rain-tight application, there are several key steps to follow to ensure reliable and compliant installation. The first step involves preparing the conduit. It is critical to ensure that the end of the conduit is clean, smooth, and free from any burrs or sharp edges. Any imperfections can compromise the seal and allow water to penetrate the fitting. Use a file or reamer to smooth the cut edge and then wipe the conduit clean to remove any debris. The second step involves applying sealant. Use a listed sealant that is compatible with the fitting and the conduit material. Apply a generous amount of sealant to the threads of the fitting and to the outside of the conduit where it will be inserted into the fitting. This sealant will create a watertight barrier. The third step involves assembling the fitting. Slide the compression fitting onto the conduit, ensuring that the sealant is evenly distributed. Tighten the knot of the fitting using a wrench. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for the recommended torque. Over-tightening can damage the fitting or the conduit, while under-tightening can result in a leaky connection. The fourth step involves inspecting the seal. After tightening the fitting, inspect the connection for any gaps or areas where the sealant is not properly distributed. If necessary, apply additional sealant to any suspect areas. Use a flashlight to help identify any potential leaks. The fifth step involves testing the connection. If possible, test the connection by spraying it with water or submerging it in water to check for leaks. If any leaks are detected, tighten the fitting further or disassemble it and reapply sealant before reassembling. Using the rain-tight wrap can be a memorable and practical way to remind oneself and others of the key steps involved in creating a rain-tight seal with steel city compression fittings. It highlights the importance of cleaning the pipe, applying sealant properly, tightening the fitting appropriately, and checking for leaks to ensure a reliable and safe electrical connection.